And before we get to other videos, we have some big breaking updates coming in on this particular story. Kalyan Banerjee, after this entire controversy surfaced, has sharpened the attack on the TMC MP Mahua Moitra. Kalyan Banerjee remains defiant. In fact, he has blamed Mahua Moitra without really naming her. MP started shouting for no reason is what Kalyan Banerjee has said in his defense. Listen in.
আমি কখনো এর মধ্যে এই 4-5 দিন গেছে আমি কোনো প্রেসের কাছে যাইনি, কোনো কাউকে কোনো কথা বলিনি, কিন্তু আজকে ভিডিও লিক ফিক হয়েছে, ভালো কথা, আমার কোনো অসুবিধা নেই। কথা হচ্ছে কোনো এক মহিলা মানে আমাকে যেদিনকে যাব ইলেকশন কমিশনে তার আগের দিন ডেরেক ওব্রায়ান আমার কাছে একটা টেক্সট করে পাঠিয়ে দিল, বলল 7-8 জন এমপির নাম দিল, সেই 7-8 জন এমপির সিগনেচার একটা মেমোরান্ডামে সই করছে, যেটা ইলেকশন কমিশনকে দেয়া হবে। সেই অনুযায়ী পার্টি অফিসে সন্ধ্যে
7:30 around 8 MPs for the memorandum
আমার কাছে 6:50 নিয়ে এসেছিল, আমি সেটা সই করে দিয়ে দিয়েছিলাম। এরপর আরেকটা এলো আমার কাছে
Derek O'Brien instruction, I did the signatures and in the evening I got all the signatures done.
পার্টি অফিসে আসবে, মানে আমাদের পার্লামেন্টারি পার্টি অফিস। আমি ডেরেককে ফোন করে বলেছিলাম, ডেরেক দেখো 10টার সময় যেতে পারবো না।
At 9:30 it was given a call that all the MPs had to reach the parliament office of TMC.
তো যাই হোক, তারপরে আমি
he said I told Derek O'Brien that I have a case in Supreme Court and Derek told me don't say it to anyone.
নামার পরে আমাকে একজন মহিলা এমপি বলছে,
Kalyan Banerjee saying that he told Derek O'Brien that around 10 AM he would reach the election commission office directly.
যার ইনস্ট্রাকশন সেই অনুযায়ী আমি কাজ করেছি, ইনস্ট্রাকশনের বাইরে তো আমি কাজ করব না, নাম নিয়ে আমি কি করব?
The female member of parliament questioned me why my signature was not taken. Kalyan Banerjee saying that he confronted, stating that your name was not there and that is the reason why I did not take your signature.
এটাও আমাকে কখনো কমিউনিকেট করে।
Kalyan Banerjee saying that he was not aware that this particular member of parliament, female member of parliament, would be coming to the ECI office.
Then she was shouting.
Kalyan Banerjee saying that the female member of parliament alleged that deliberately her signature was not taken, and Kalyan Banerjee saying that don't argue with me.
Arrest my MP, arrest me.
The female member of parliament then went to the BSF and told arrest him.
CPM BJP বিরুদ্ধে লড়ে এসেছি আমি।
I am in politics since 40 years. I have fought CPM and the BJP.
আদানি আর মোদির বিরুদ্ধে লড়ি না, আমি সবাইকার বিরুদ্ধে লড়ি।
You guys have seen how I fought in fighting parliament on the Adani issue and other important issues.
কোন নেতাকে চ্যালেঞ্জ করে না, পশ্চিমবাংলার কোন নেতা সম্বন্ধে কিছু বলে না। আমাকে তো সেটা দেখলে হবে না, আমি এখন ন্যাচারালি তারপরে আই ওয়াজ এক্সাইটেড। আপনারা ভিডিওতে দেখেছেন, আমাকে বলছে অ্যারেস্ট করো, আরে এরা কারা?
I was quite excited after that.
So you heard, viewers, this was the first reaction since this controversy broke out that we have got of Kalyan Banerjee, the Trinamool Congress Member of Parliament. Let me straight away go across to my colleague Sabyasachi, who is live with us right now for more on this big update on this story. Sabyasachi, first official reaction coming in from Kalyan Banerjee. He was narrating what exactly happened on that particular day. But what's interesting is that he remains defiant, for his actions. And at the same time, he didn't really take the name of Mahua Moitra.
Well, that's right. Kalyan Banerjee did not take the name of the female member of parliament, and even after speaking to media, he was there for quite some time. He had one-on-one with the reporters who were present out there. Now, Kalyan Banerjee clearly stays defiant. He has been saying that he did nothing wrong. In fact, he was just following the party instruction. He says that the memorandum which was decided that both Rajya Sabha MPs and Lok Sabha MPs would be giving it to the ECI. Derek O'Brien in fact put Kalyan Banerjee in charge, since Kalyan Banerjee is the chief whip in Lok Sabha, and the names that had been given whose signature would be taken, around 8 MPs of them in those list, this this female member of parliament name was not there. In fact, Kalyan Banerjee also said that he had earlier informed Derek O'Brien that he would not be coming to the parliamentary office of Trinamool Congress in Parliament. Rather, he would be reaching to the ECI office directly because he has some other commitment. Now, after reaching the ECI office, the particular member of Parliament started having a quarrel with Kalyan Banerjee. In fact, Kalyan Banerjee says that that particular female member of Parliament said that why her name was not there. In fact, Kalyan Banerjee stated that the list has been provided to him. Now, that female member of Parliament got irked, stating that Kalyan Banerjee deliberately have not included her name, and that is the reason why the fight started. After which, Kalyan Banerjee had a verbal spat with the female member of Parliament, and the female member of Parliament then asked the BSF and security personnel who were present out there to arrest Kalyan Banerjee, and that further escalated into a fight. So clearly, a lot of infighting has taken place between Kalyan Banerjee and this particular member of Parliament. We just saw the reaction coming in from Saugata Roy as well, asking for action against Kalyan Banerjee. What is important to note is that Mamata Banerjee herself has taken cognizance of this matter. Mamata Banerjee herself has spoken with both the member of parliaments, and she in fact also is looking into this matter, that who is the Trinamool Congress member of parliament who has leaked the inside video as well as the chats from the Trinamool Congress MP WhatsApp group. Because if you see the video which Kalyan Banerjee says that in that particular room only the Trinamool Congress member of parliament were present. So the biggest question for the party right now is that who is the mole who had leaked the video?
So
as
who
well
is the
as
mole?
the
Who is the
chats
person among these people, among these members of parliament of the Trinamool Congress who had leaked these chats, these videos to the Bharatiya Janata Party? That's the big question that TMC is currently looking at. Sabyasachi, you're also giving us the inside scoop, and let's also read that out for our viewers that we have got right now. Kalyan Banerjee Mahua spat. There is an update, viewers, that has now come in. What led to this open verbal spat? Top TMC sources have told Times Now that it was a controversy over a signature campaign, TMC signature campaign for the Election Commission of India, and Mahua Moitra's name reportedly was not on the list. Was that the reason that irked Mahua Moitra, and that led to that spat between her and Kalyan Banerjee? Top sources have confirmed to Times Now that Mahua confronted Kalyan Banerjee on that particular issue. Spat broke out post-confrontation, something that even Kalyan Banerjee confirmed in this first official reaction on this entire controversy. Let me go back to Sabyasachi, who continues to be with us right now for more on this. Sabyasachi, now this is significant, and the question really now remains as to what happens next in this case. Will there be some kind of action? We just heard Kalyan Banerjee, who still remains defiant. He says that he's been in, politics for over 40 odd years, and also trying to justify his behavior. But then you have people like Saugata Roy, who were also witness to what happened in public. Will Mamata Banerjee take action is the big question.
Well, that's right. See, definitely Mamata Banerjee will take action into this, because as per the sources, Mamata Banerjee herself is looking into this matter. She herself is involved between the two spat, between the spat that has taken place between the two member of parliament, as well as the personal chats which were leaked. Now, the message has been very much clear from the party high command that necessary action will be taken, and the party is quite intent to issue a warning to both the member of parliaments. Now, what is interesting to note is that the Trinamool Congress itself seems divided on this issue, because some of the MPs feel that what Kalyan Banerjee has said to the female member of parliament was really not appropriate. In fact, some of the other MPs feel that how Mahua Moitra reacted to Kalyan Banerjee was not appropriate, because that particular female member of parliament's name was already already not there in the memorandum, and the list was not prepared by Kalyan Banerjee. It had come to him and he was following the due process. Now the party already had a phone conversation. Mamata Banerjee did have a telephonic conversation with both Kalyan Banerjee and the female member of parliament. In fact, Mamata Banerjee also sternly said that since Kalyan Banerjee is the chief whip of the Trinamool Congress in Lok Sabha, that needs to be followed by every single member of parliament of
Right.
the Trinamool Congress. So clearly a lot of voices coming in support of Kalyan Banerjee, and some of the voices also coming in support of the female member of parliament. Whereas what happened was really unfortunate, because
Yes.
the party high leadership feels that their agenda of going to the ECI, submitting a memorandum, was overshadowed because of this controversy.
Right. Right. Sabyasachi, request you to stay on with us.